So yeah, today's been an absolute special day. We're at a foundation called Change for the Better Foundation. And yeah, in celebration of Mandela, we've done our 67 minutes. We've come out here today, we've walked the dogs, hung mesh around the kennels, we've built veggie gardens, and it's just been a really great day for Daisy in general. We've cared with the team, we've had some laughs, burned some calories, and it's just been a good day for all of us.
My naam is Andre van Wyk. Ek is van Change for the Better Foundation en ons word vandag gehelp deur Daisy Business Solutions. Change for the Better Foundation was in 2014 geskep en ons hoofdoel is sterilizations, education and rehabilitation.
Today for my 67 minutes, we've built 3 vegetable gardens for a better cause in Stellenbosch to help them, utilize this area, grow some vegetables for their people and for the community.
We assisted with fixing and painting dog kennels, and this is our way of giving back to the community.
Animal welfare is not as much supported as we would think, so we would like to bring more attention to the fact that these shelters need all the support they can get.
There's always room for one more. Give your